I'm going to be planting my elephant ear bulbs or rhizomes. This is one plant that I had last year that you probably have seen in a past video if you have visited the channel before. And I hope it isn't too dry because literally I never took one out of the dirt. And this one is a new one that I bought, and it has the little buds about to come up. I'm not sure if these are the roots or the part that goes up. I'm thinking this is the part that goes up. I'm going to have to check because, like I said, I never took out one out of the dirt. Anyway, I'm going to be adding dirt, putting one in each of these little pots and keeping them with a lot of water because the Colocasia elephant ear loves water. The bumpier part down, and the one that looks like something is about to pop up. Now I will add some water and put them in a sunny spot. And the nights are right now in the 50s, so they should be okay. But I'm still going to be very careful because being it's still not quite spring, weather, can just go having hiccups. This is about 10 days later. You can see that a little leaf is growing up. One is a little slower than the other one, but both have a little green on top. Last but not least, I discovered these pre-planted bulbs, and since last year my black Colocasia died, my black elephant ear, I decided to buy this and test it. They are pre-planted pre-potted, just add water, it says. So I'm going to be testing this. As I am opening this type of like an unboxing video, I am opening the pot and there is growth already. So I am pretty pleased. I am very happy with this. I will be making an update later to see how it's going. I am just going to be adding water and let's see what happens. If you like elephant ear plants, click on this other video to see a fun craft made with an elephant ear plant.